Hey folks, Caleb James Delisle here, and Bitcoin has just gone under 20K. Wow. So a lot of people are getting liquidated. There's a lot of stuff happening in the market. And why is this? What's going on? Well, it's pretty simple. The Federal Reserve is tightening the money supply. Bitcoin goes under 20K, and at the same time, the value of Bitcoin has never been more obvious. Why? Because the Federal Reserve has turned the money system into a casino. It's not even a regular casino. It's not even a fair casino. They've turned the money system into three-card Monte. Anybody who knows in advance whether they're going to tighten the money supply or loosen the money supply, whether they're going to make inflation or they're going to make deflation, those people can win every time. They just invest in assets whenever there's going to be inflation, and they invest in currency whenever there's going to be deflation. The people who don't know, the regular people out there, the retail investors, nobody can know when they're going to say, oh, inflation's transitory, we're not worried about it, and when they're going to say, oh no, it's the worst thing in the world, we need to hike the rate, we need to quantitative tightening. But the reality is, they're doing this in order to save their broken system. They're trying to pull the money back in. They're trying to fix the system, but they're doing it by screwing regular people. And this is why Bitcoin is so important. This is why cryptocurrency is so important, because you can have something that is easy to send around the world at any time, and there's no government who can say, oh, we're going to print a whole bunch of it and we're going to give it to our buddies, or we're going to print it, we're going to lend it, and we're going to make loans to the companies that we know the guy, or oh, we're going to recall all the loans, we're going to pull the money back in, we're going to do quantitative tightening, we're going to wreck the stock market. You can't do that when the money is not controlled by a central bank. And central banks were supposed to make the system more stable, but they've made the system less stable. They've made everything unstable. The yo-yo Fed, as they call it, they print a bunch of money and then they panic and they pull it all back, and then they print a bunch of money again as soon as it starts causing trouble for their friends on Wall Street. The real solution here, we have to get rid of central banking. We have to build new systems that can't be corrupted by humans who are inherently corruptible.